Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting class 10 physics PYQ session for the chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. Human Eye and the Colorful World is basically only for two types of concept. One is myopia and hypermetropia. Next is their correction. That's it. You will be getting one type of questions like this and another type of questions will be from the dispersion of light, right? The prism questions, right? So we'll be discussing both of the types. Don't worry. We'll have 3-4 classes for this particular topic. The PYQ series for Human Eye and Colorful World, all about class 10 physics by आपके अपने sir JP sir. So good evening बच्चों, good evening, good evening. So we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till please share the link with all your friends. We'll be starting the session ASAP. See, this chapter is so beautiful. You will learn to know what are the corrections for myopia and hypermetropia, what vision is called as long-sightedness, what vision is called as short-sightedness, right? Which wavelength is maximum, which frequency is maximum for the questions related to dispersion of light. Okay, fine. So tell me, every one of you, this chapter has been done in your schools, yes or no? This chapter has been done in your schools, yes or no? Tell me. So we'll be starting the session. This chapter has been done. This chapter has been done in your schools, yes or no? Tell me. Fast. This chapter has been done. Okay. This chapter has been done. Done. Okay. So let's start the first question. All PYQs, okay? So I guess Akash, you must be having that book, Aryanth, Hana? Aryanth PYQ. So you open that book, every one of you, if you have the book, Aryanth PYQ series, let me show you the book. Let me show you. I have this last year book, but you must be having the this year book also. That is blue in color. This is red in color. I'm having this one, right? So we'll be solving questions from this. Actually, what questions are from the previous question papers of CBSE only. Okay. So let's count 3, 2, and 1. So this is the beautiful topic: human eye and colorful world. Class in physics, lecture number 1. This is the first question. So what the question says, let's see. What the question says, let's see. Hi, so everything sorted? Can we start? I guess we can start. Everything smooth enough? All is well? Tell me. Yes or no? Everything smooth enough? All is well? Okay, let's start question number 1. Sir, tomorrow is science exam. Okay, what chapters are you having? What chapters are you having? Tell me. So question is, a student cannot see distinctly the charts hanging in the science laboratory. Okay. Name the defect of vision he or she is suffering from. List 2 causes of this defect. Suggest the type of lenses for the modification of this defect. So let me clear you. See, a student cannot see distinctly. He cannot differentiate the charts hanging in the science laboratory. You tell me, the charts have very small letters and far enough, right? Far enough from the vision. So student cannot see distant objects, far away objects. Yes or no? So student cannot see far away objects, right? So if far away objects are not visible, that means, see, what is myopia and what is hypermetropia? Let me clear it to you. What is myopia? And what is hypermetropia? Okay. Myopia is short-sightedness. It is short-sightedness. Okay. It is long-sightedness. Now, how to remember this short-sightedness and long-sightedness? What does this mean? Thank you so much. Okay, let's move forward. So what is myopia and what is hypermetropia? Let me clear it to you. Myopia means short-sightedness, right? It means nearby objects are visible. Nearby objects visible. It means far away objects visible. Hypermetropia means far away objects are visible. Right. I'm writing in short forms. So what does that mean? Short-sightedness, nearby objects are visible. That means far away objects not visible. Far away objects not visible. Right. Not visible. It means nearby objects not visible. How to remember? I'll let you know. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. So this is the basic criteria for myopia and hypermetropia. Okay. Now what does that mean? This lecture is only in English, beta. Okay. Now how to remember this? See, myopia means spelling is short. Hypermetropia spelling is large. Can you see this? Myopia has short spelling, so short-sightedness. Hypermetropia is long spelling, so long-sightedness. Clear? I'll repeat it once again. Myopia, short spelling, short-sightedness. Hypermetropia, long spelling, long-sightedness. Okay, one way to remember. Just a jugaad to remember. Okay. Now see. What I'm trying to see. Do not forget to like everyone. Please, you conjuso. You makichus, conjuice. Come on, like and grow the count till 10 and 20 likes. Come on. Now this is myopia. That means short spelling, short-sightedness. Short-sightedness means short distant objects are visible. Short-sightedness means nearby objects are visible. Short objects, short away distance objects are visible. Long-sightedness means long away objects are visible. Far away objects are visible. Clear? Far away objects visible. Nearby objects visible in myopia. Now see, nearby objects are visible. That means far away objects are not visible. And it is far away objects visible. That means nearby objects not visible. You must have seen your grandparents using a very thick glass lens, spectacles, thick glass to view, just to read newspaper. Every one of you must have done this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. What I am saying, again listen to me. Again listen to me. If your grandparents read newspaper, if your parents also read newspaper, they use thick lenses or thin lenses. For reading newspaper, right? Reading newspaper requires thick lenses. Yes or no? Thick lens. Yes or no? And what kind of lens is thick? Convex or concave? Like this. This lens is used for the correction of hypermetropia. Clear? Car driving, while you drive a car driving requires what? Thin lenses. It implies which kind of lens? This one. Yes or no? From the middle, it will be thin. Yes or no? Tell me. So this is nothing but this is a concave lens, this is a convex lens, right? This is a concave lens, the convex lens. Tell me if you have understood. Yes or no, everyone? Concave lens and convex lens. I'll let you know everything in this lecture. Today we'll be discussing only about myopia and hypermetropia. So tell me, what is the difference between concave lens and convex lens? Any one of you? Any one of you? Tell me. Yes, diagrammatically also. Tell me, What diagram can you say this is concave lens and this is convex? Yes, this is concave lens, concave. This is convex, convex, right? This is concave, C-O-N it is C-O-N. Concave lens, okay? So if anyone asks you what kind of lens is used for the correction of myopia or for the correction of hypermetropia, you say hypermetropia, okay. Okay, you say hypermetropia. What is hypermetropia? Long spelling means long sightedness. Got me? Got me? Got me? Tell me. Tell me. Long spelling hypermetropia means long sightedness, means long distance object is visible, means shorter distance object is not visible, means nearby objects not visible. If I am not able to see nearby objects, how will I read newspaper? Tell me. For reading newspaper, for reading newspaper, your grandparents use what? A thick lens, very thick lens inside the specs, and that thick lens is what? Nothing but the lens which is thick from the middle is a convex lens like this. See, yes or no? It is thick. It is thick from the between. It is thick from center. Yes or no? In the middle of it, it is thick. So thick lenses are used. That means it is hypermetropia. If a person cannot see distant objects, see myopia. What is myopia? Myopia is small spelling. Small, short. Short spelling means short-sightedness. Short-sightedness means you can see short distance objects. You cannot see far away objects. That means you cannot drive properly. And for far away objects, you must have seen the spectacles which we use are fixed with a thin lens. Thin means very, 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 very thin lens. And that thin lens is what? Nothing but concave lens. Got my point? Now tell me if anyone is confused anymore. I guess it is very much clear. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Got the point? Got the point? Okay. So for this question, if I ask you to use the concepts, if I ask you to use these concepts for this question, tell me. Question is, a student cannot see distinctly the charts hanging in the science laboratory. Means science laboratory have obviously small words are written on the charts and those are somewhat at a far distance. Okay, student cannot see. So far away objects cannot see. That means nearby objects can see. Nearby objects can see means short distance objects can see. And if you can see short distance object would mean short sightedness. And what is short sightedness? Short spelling, myopia. You got the point now? I guess it is very much clear. I guess it is very much. Yes, you can copy, but please wait. Please wait. So this defect, name the defect of vision. Name the defect of vision. We'll say myopia. List two causes of this defect. We'll see causes. Suggest the type of lenses for the modification of this defect. You'll say concave lens, right? Now, what are the reasons? Reasons is list two causes. First one is excessive curvature of the eye lens. Second one is elongation of eyeball. We'll see in the later questions why this is so, but right now you must remember causes for myopia is excessive curvature of the eye lens. That means more curvature, right? If it is myopia, you need to wear thin lenses. So your eye lens must be broadened up, yes or no? So excessive curvature of this eye lens and elongation of eyeball. That means the eyeball have been stretched or elongated, right? And the defect is corrected by using concave lens which diverges and shifts the image on the retina. Clear? So you can copy this. I'll be waiting. Everyone must copy this. Very beautiful concept. Very beautifully explained, I guess, right? So you can copy this table. Extremely important. Extremely, extremely important. Okay. Copy this one. This table copy. Everyone, I'm waiting. Please be fast. Today already we are late. Electricity, yes, we'll do. Don't worry. Don't worry. Step by step, we'll move. Step by step, we'll move. Don't worry. Done. Copied this table. Yes or no? Tell me fast. US by Uswal or Aryan sample papers. So reason for this myopic defect is first excessive curvature of the eye lens and elongation of eyeball. You know what this concave lens does? Tell me. I'll explain it now. I'll explain it more clearly now. Wait. What this concave lens actually does in case of this. See. Right. If this is the lens, okay, and this is the principal axis. Say this is the object. Say this is the object. Okay. So ray of light will go parallel. Ray of light will go parallel. Say this is the focus. Say this is the focus. Okay. It will be diverged or converged. Diverged. It will appear to be coming from the focus. Yes or no? Yes. Another ray of light which is actually coming towards the focus will be diverged parallelly. Yes or no? Tell me. First copy this. First copy this. Then I'll move forward. Image formation diagram by concave lens. You actually must know the rules for drawing these diagrams. Okay. So another ray, if it is coming towards the pole, say this is the pole, right? Like this, it will be going like this only. So can we see the formation of image here? Can we see the formation of image here? Yes or no? Can we see the formation of image here? That means the object's image is brought near to the eye. Yes or no? In myopia, you can see nearby, short spelling, you can see nearby objects. You cannot see far away objects. So how to see those far away objects? Just bring them near to the eye. We're all the same thing. How to see that far away objects? You actually try to move those objects near to your eye. So this is the example. Say every one of you must have got this point. Why concave lens is used? The reason why concave lens is used for the correction of myopia. This is the question and this is the solution. Actually, solution is on the upper side. First, we have solved the question. Okay. This is the reason why concave lens is used for, yes, for what? Obviously, for bringing that object closer to the eye. That's why this lens is fixed. That's why this lens is fixed. Got my point? Yes or no? Example for the, you can go for Aryan. You can go for Aryan. Got my point? Yes or no? Every one of you. Every one of you. Yes or no? Yes. When object is obviously far away, object is far away from the eye. We have to bring that image nearer to the eye. So this is the object. This yellow one, this is the object, right? This is the object, right? And this is the image. This is image. So image is formed smaller. Okay. That object has come nearer to our eyes. Yes or no? Okay, you can make this image like this also. If one ray is coming towards the focus, it will be obviously this is the focus, it will come like this and go like this. This point is clear, yes or no? Tell me. This point is clear, yes or no? Tell me. Clear? So its role is just to bring the image nearer to the lens. That's the role of concave mirror. Clear? Can we move forward? Now, tell me if this is clear. What are the rules of obtaining images by convex lens? Anyone knows that? Anyone knows that? Or you can say image formation by convex lens. Okay, we'll make that diagram also. Image formation by what is a convex lens? Convex lens. Okay. Convex lens. So it is used to cure. Tell me. Used to for the correction of hypermetropia. Okay, sir. Hypermetropia. Why? Why? Think. Start making diagrams. Why? Okay, just think why. This is question. Why? Why convex lens is used? So convex lens is like this, yes or no? Tell me. This is a convex lens, yes or no? So we are discussing image formation diagrams by convex lens. Tell me anyone. What will happen? It will diverge or it will converge? Like concave was diverging, it will be converging, yes or no? It will be converging. Okay, let's say this is F1, F2. Let's draw. This is F1, this is, say this is, okay, F1, F2, F2F you can write, and 2F1, 2F2 you can write. This is F1, or so this is F2. From center distance will be same. It will be 2F2. And it will be, okay, this is 2F1. Okay. Now the object is, say the object is at 2F1. Object is at 2F1. Okay. Let's make object here. Object is here. Okay. So what will happen? A parallel ray will go and it will converge and will pass from, yes or no? Yes, it will pass from the focus, that is F2. This is one, yes or no? Another ray will go like this from the pole and it will be going like this only, yes or no? So we can say the image will be formed approximately at 2F2. Approximately, let's make diagram again. This line has to be made like this. Okay. And if this ray is going like this, see, if you draw the diagram correctly, this is the image. This is the image. And it is formed where? At 2F2. Yes or no? This is 2F2. Right. So what I mean to say, it is of equal size, same size, yes or no? So this is what? You are actually moving nearby objects away. Yes or no? That hypermetropia means what? Long sightedness. Long sightedness would mean what? Long distance objects are visible. Shorter are not visible. So let's move the shorter objects somewhat away from the eye. Right? If we make another diagram for this, let's say this is the convex lens. Okay. This is F1. This is 2F1. Let's say this is F2 and this will be 2F2. This will be 2F2, right? So let's say object, we say in hypermetropia, what kind of objects are visible? Tell me if anyone can tell me. If anyone can tell me what kind of objects are there, that means nearby objects are not visible, yes or no? If it's yes, we'll see. Now tell me, tell me. What I am saying, now tell me. Now tell me. I am saying hypermetropia would mean what? Hypermetropia, long spelling, long-sightedness. Long distance objects are visible, shorter distance objects are not visible. So let's say the shorter distance object is here. Okay. So if we'll make that diagram, ray diagram, it will be go parallel and it will pass through F2. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Another ray, if it is going towards the pole, it will be going like this, yes or no? So can you see that this image, this is the image, this is the image. Tell me, yes or no? So we have moved this image somewhat away from the lens. We have moved this image somewhat away from the lens. Actually, they will meet. Obviously, they will meet, but at like this. Wait. Let's draw exact perfect diagram. It's going like this and it is going like this. So this is actually the image, right? See how big and clear image is it? So nearby objects are not visible if you have focused. Every time you can wear a convex lens, the thick lens, and you cannot read the newspaper, suddenly the letters become big. Suddenly the words become big in size. So that is the reason for that object is nearer, we cannot see. So we actually wear that lens and oh my God, everything is visible, right? Done. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. So this is the reason. Uh, beyond, tell me, convex lens co. This is what? This is obviously converging. Rays are converging lens, and that one is diverging, concave. Okay, now next. So, but most of the cases for people has power which is myopia. Obviously, yes, no? Obviously, yes. R is equals to 1 by F, and these are having low focal lengths. That's why power becomes high. So that is a different topic. That is a different topic. We'll discuss about that also, right? But for now, for this time's sake, if you are having questions of say human eye, so for human eye and the colorful world, first question, I guess it is very much clear to every one of you. It is very much clear to every one of you. Yes or no? Yes or no? It's simple that if the object is, see, if you actually move the object, that are different case diagrams, but we are only focused of that what actually myopia and hypermetropia means, what are their causes and what are their corrections, right? So for myopia, the correction is use of concave lens. For hypermetropia, uses correction. The correction is what? Use convex lens. That's it. Clear? So we can move towards question number 2. See, this is not just PYQ session. This is complete theoretical session with examples. Lot of things have to be discussed. It's not like we'll solve 1-2 questions. At least 20-30 questions will be solving in 3-4-5 lectures, whatever time it takes. Now, solve this one. Try to solve this one. Okay. Try to solve this one by yourself. Don't look on the solution. Don't look for the solution. It happens because of contraction of lenses. This is the answer. Flaming, yes, if you have some patience, na, kindly watch the lecture instead of asking questions again and again, right? Yes. We have seen some good comments from your side. So actually, we must advise you to actually see the lecture first, then ask for your doubts. And this is not a doubt session. So please leave the class, or if you are sitting, then focus on the question which has been discussed. Okay. Done. I have people have some problems from me, but I'm not here to solve your problems all the time. Okay. I'm just here to give my lecture. If you like it, then be here. If you do not like it, please leave. No worries, no issues. Out of 7,300 people, I will think that one person is not here, right? Yes. And why I am saying this to you, Flaming Yes, you must know this, right? Because of your beautiful, beautiful comments, right? You are coming here and asking me questions. Huh? Come on. So this question is, a person cannot see distinctly the objects placed at the least distance of distinct vision of a normal eye. However, he can easily see. However, he can easily read a newspaper. Oh my God. However, he can easily read a newspaper by placing at a distance of 40 centimeters from his eyes. Would mean what? He can, yes, 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 yes. Catch this point. A person cannot see distinctly the objects placed at the least distance of distinct vision for a normal eye. That means what? He cannot see far away objects or nearby objects. Tell me, what does that mean? Anyone? Anyone? When the near, see, a person cannot see distinctly the objects placed at the least distance. If at the least distance he is not able to see, it is nothing but hypermetropia. Yes or no? When the near point goes farther from 25 centimeter is normal, right? Obviously, the near point is 25 centimeter. And if your near point, a person cannot see distinctly the objects placed at the least distance, that means at 25 centimeter only he is not able to see. That means he cannot see the nearby objects. He can see far away objects, distant objects, long distance objects, long sightedness. That means he can see far away objects. Yes or no? However, he can easily read a newspaper by placing it at a distance of 40 centimeter. That means 25 centimeters is the near distance. 25 centimeter is what? Is the near point. Till 25 centimeter, if you can see, it's okay. If you cannot see, you have to move things far away. That means you cannot see the nearby objects. You can see the far away object, right? So seeing of the long distance object is nothing but hypermetropia. We say that the person is suffering from hypermetropia, right? This defect arises why? List two causes. See, in that there was excessive curvature of the eye lens and elongation of eyeball. In this, the focal length of the eye lens is too long. The eyeball has become too small. In this, elongation of eyeball. Eyeball, that means eyeball becomes what? Becomes large, you can say, right? Elongation means eyeball is large. Shortening means small, means it has become small. Small in what? Hypermetropia. Eyeball becomes small, just reverse of the spelling. Spelling is big, eyeball becomes small. In myopia, spelling is short, eyeball becomes large. You have to remember like this only. How many concepts are you going to learn in one lecture? Okay. Focal length of the eye lens is too long, because when the eyeball is small, the focal length stretches. You can correlate like this. Okay. Done, everyone. I guess it's done. Now see, the defect is corrected by using a concave or convex lens. Tell me, convex lens. Yes or no? This is corrected by using a convex lens. Why convex lens? Because it is thick. You cannot see nearby objects. So thick lenses must be used. Yes or no? So that's the way you are actually going to learn all these things. Okay. If you have to make diagram for convex, we'll make like this. Okay. Right. And for nearby objects are not visible. This is F1. This is 2F1. Oh, this is F2. This is 2F2. Nearby objects means this is the object. So the ray will go parallel. It will pass through focus. It will go like this. And if you expand this backwards, you can easily see that this is the image. Yes or no? Clear? So this way you are actually going to make diagrams also. I will recommend diagram, okay, along with the solution along with the theoretical part, you must draw a diagram and show that yes, you actually know how to answer these type of questions. Is it clear? Can we move forward? Okay. You make it straight, okay? In hurry, I made like this. Okay. So we can move forward to question number third. Question number third. Every question is important, you know. You just keep on solving PYQs. That's the only way to master physics, chemistry, biology, or mathematics. This time is for PYQs and sample papers. No more learnings of the chapters anymore, okay? So, what does the question says? The color of clear sky from the earth. Read it, read it. Okay, see what the question says. The question says the color of clear sky from the earth appears blue, but from the space it appears black. Why? The color of clear sky from the earth it appears blue, but from the space it appears black. Why? This is because the atmosphere is not, just read it. Atmosphere is not visible from the space, so the sky appears black because there is no medium for the scattering of sunlight. Yes or no? In the space there is no medium, only vacuum is there. Sunlight does not travel without medium. Okay, sunlight travels in a medium, right? So atmosphere is not visible from the space. Why? So the sky appears black because there is no atmosphere. There is, yes, obviously there is a vacuum, and there is no medium for the scattering of sunlight. That's why in space, when from the space you actually look out to the sky, it appears black. It appears black, but from the earth it appears blue. Why? Because there is a medium of air through which the scattering of light happens. Clear? I guess it is sorted. Right. Let's move to another question. Number fourth. Define the term power of accommodation. Anyone? Till I have the answer in my on my screen. Main reason for today's lecture was making you understand myopia and hypermetropia. That's it. What are the reasons? What are the corrective measures? That was the major reason for today's class. We'll be having good questions tomorrow also. But wait, let's complete this one also today only. See what the question says. Define the term power of accommodation. Write the modification in the curvature of the islands which enables us to see the nearby objects clearly. Nearby objects clearly. Nearby objects clearly means you cannot see nearby objects. Long, far away objects you can see. That means long sightedness. Hypermetropia. For hypermetropia, tell me what kind of lens is used. It is a convex lens, right? So we'll be having everything related to convex lens in this question. You have to relate like this. First you solve. You have to relate like this. Is it clear? You have to relate like this. Is it clear? Sorted. So how to relate? See, define the term power of accommodation. This is all are PYQs, okay? All are PYQs. CBSE 2090 question. Now you don't have to draw diagrams and all that for 2 marks question, okay? You just have to write the ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length is called as power of accommodation. Now what is power of accommodation? You must accommodate your power, right? So how to accommodate your power? Just by fixing the focal length, just by adjusting the focal length. That's it. Thank you, Samir sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You all guys must give respect to Samir sir, right? He's a very famous teacher in Delhi. I respect him a lot. Hats off to you, sir. I love you, sir. Okay, so the ability of islands to adjust its focal length is called as power of accommodation. And what the next question says, you don't have to write like this. You write point wise. This is point number 1 and this is point number 2, right? Make your solutions in points. Give your answers point wise. Okay. Give your answers point wise. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, write the modification in the curvature of the eye lens. What modification you need in the eye lens? That means if it's this, if it's like this, whatever modification you need means what corrections, what changes you must do, which enables us to see the nearby objects clearly. So if you wish to see the nearby objects clearly, that means you are not able to see nearby objects. And if you are not able to see nearby objects, that means what? You can see long distance objects clearly. And long distance object, if you can see, would mean long spelling. That means the eye is suffering from hypermetropia. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So just read it. While viewing nearby objects, ciliary muscles contract. You can see convex lenses of this type. And if you want to use this lens, your lens must be towards this nature. Yes or no? Although it is not a concave lens in your eyes, but your lens would be actually somewhat contracted. Yes or no? So ciliary muscles must contract. If the lens is contracted, ciliary muscles would be contracted. So it gets compressed into a more convex shape. Therefore, the eye lens becomes thicker and its focal length decreases. This enables us to see the nearby objects clearly. That means if this nature is to be achieved, your lens must be thick from the inner side. Yes or no? Tell me. Read the question again and again. Read the question again and again. What the question says. You must know how to write. If you draw diagrams, it will be very much beneficial for all of you. It's saying, define the term. Okay. Write the modification in the curvature of the eye lens which enables us to see the nearby objects clearly. What is the modification? The modification is that you must tend towards the convex side. Yes or no? For tending towards the convex side, it would mean what? Thickening of the lens from the middle part of it. That means it gets, what does it say? While viewing nearby objects, ciliary muscles contract. And if you want to see the nearby objects clearly, the eye lens becomes thicker. See, you will tend towards convex behavior. Yes or no? Yes, sir. The eye lens become thicker and its focal length decreases, obviously. And this enables us to see the nearby objects clearly, right? You can make diagrams if you really wish to get 3 out of 3 marks. Sorted? Yes or no? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is the way actually we must all solve these questions, right? This is not like that just question comes and you start writing. No, you must learn to correlate the terms. Must learn to correlate, right? Next question number 5th. All are PYQs, okay? I have not written any of these questions, okay? This is just... Now, what is atmospheric refraction? Tell me. How to write? I'll tell you. But you must tell at least what you know about all this. What is atmospheric refraction? List 2 phenomena which can be explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. Okay, write it. The phenomena of bending of light when it passes through the Earth's atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. First part. You must write like this. This is point number 1. Now, what should I make you understand in this? The phenomena of bending of light when it passes through the Earth's atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. Point number 2. This is point number 2. Which can list 2 phenomena which can be explained. List 2 phenomena. We have to write 2 methods, 2 procedures, 2 phenomena which can be explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. First, twinkling of stars, twinkle twinkle little star, all due to atmospheric refraction, right? Twinkling of stars and advanced sunrise and delayed sunset are the 2 phenomena explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. Very important question. This can repeat. This can repeat this year also. These are good questions. Okay, practical. You must know how to write them. You must know how to write them. Just write the points. Questions must be answered point wise, not like a paragraph like this. No, this is a blunder. No, you must write point wise. Okay. Is everything clear now? First point, phenomena of bending of light. It is called as, when it passes through the Earth's atmosphere, obviously, it's called as refraction, atmospheric refraction. Now, what are the two phenomena which you can explain atmospheric refraction? First one, twinkling of stars. Second one, early sunrise and delayed sunset. This is also due to atmospheric refraction. Is it clear? Can I move forward? Okay, next question number 6. This is very famous diagram. Every one of you must know this. This is very famous diagram. This year also in the CBSE sample paper, this is present. Last year also it was present, and I think each and every board must be having this question. This is a branded question, okay? It's a branded question. Question number 6, right? Its third part is here. We'll make diagrams also. Don't worry. I am there. Need not to fear. Okay. Oh my god, too large. Too large it is. Okay, so let's see the question. Okay, this is the question. Question number 6 to question number 18 are all short answer type questions. This is short answer type question. You have to draw the diagram, everything you have to do. At least 3 marks question. Okay, so that's it for today. This was lecture number 1. I guess every one of you must have enjoyed and learned the concept for what? This myopia and hypermetropia. This was the fantastic session. If you actually remember this table now, you can answer at least 50-60% of questions from this chapter, just based on this table and just based on these ray diagrams, right? Formation of images by a concave lens and a convex lens, right? So that's it, bachcho. This is aapke apne sir JP sir signing off. We'll meet tomorrow with some good bunch of 10 to 12 questions. Till then, goodbye, good night, take care. I love all of you. Goodbye.